Matijong ni pai ke thomarni World Disability Day mate sumindar hongha phongruarni katalon ponalong jirsong song director Father Thangachan aluhiaman pen chitongdun Pirthialong muniratum akheitinta abanga boron mate physical okpran chingbar petpi lapen ongdung atumke hongha phongru pensi Pirthialong kabuchidun lapen kirengdun bonta hongha phongru det pusita equal rights mate ajat asonta kilongdun pedji arondu jirsong song director Father Thangachan penajok pineng an ningkan krehiniang bong jasimet kipa phihu bahawar rongmongwe block arlo Dolamara rongmongwe alompen tikok tiki hongha phongru tumaphan sarkar pen kirap kipalong japhan siding si piniarni anta claim bom lapen disabled certificate seta kipalong pi doolo alangli lamthi ke jai hut jasimet tikok tiki hongha phongru appearance group atum sarkar aphan chuton lok lera sai ke claim kachipaduk pen osomar tumaphan lana inangji lapen ajok kireng avar sai chilong jiputa aning parungpon Sister Jacinta lamthi ke jai hut tikok tiki atumaphan aprangke ilitum chipatar idet lapen ingmek choi datiti sita ilitum si alang litumaphan rap nang po lapen inghon nang po lapen jume sen alamthe jai pon bangso jai megalong tikok tiki hongha phongru tumpen jume sen lun kilun ke kan he rarphan paklang pon lapen ke hong habdet au sumar tumaphan aning parong ji pusi apre tum kilun ke kan paklang pon bangso melong director Father Thangachan project director Nidaroiki Lamare sister Jacinta sister Dipti lapen brother atum chetongdun Phirangkia thengno Father Thangachan pen kaninje ponalamthe arju iksina
Actually celebrating the World Disability Day today.
Okay.
We appreciate, acknowledge the contributions which our disabled persons make. They are actually very much talented people.
Okay.
And they are able to do much better in various activities. We have initiated some engineering activities like turmeric cultivation, woodcrafts. And in all these areas they have done quite well, and we have taken their products and sold out also.
Okay.
So various activities they have initiated and they have done well, and we would like to continue to do so. What we see is that though they are disabled, they are differently abled. So we wanted to bring out their talents, potentialities, their abilities, and also we wanted them to come to the front line, mainstreaming of their life. So we have started about 12 years ago in these remote areas, and we have provided them disability certificate by the government. We have taken them to depot, and doctors have assessed it. And then they have provided disability certificate. Then they also have got this pension. They already received pension, scholarship. So from the government they have received.
Dolamara penarji sonong phar karbing long life